now Wednesday and it's our 4th day in Wales. This morning I was woken up by a thunderstorm. Luckily the storm stopped around 6 o'clock this morning, and when I first got up this morning there was blue sky, but surprise surprise it's now raining again. But I think we're still going to try and make the most of the day by going to a botanical gardens, because the rain is supposed to just be showery today and not constant. So fingers crossed it stops soon. I'm about to go downstairs and have some breakfast. It's now just coming up for 4:30. We have just got back from the botanical gardens. The waterfall there was really pretty. I don't think the footage I got of it did it any justice. Also at the entrance to the place they had a cabin full of secondhand books, and I went in there and I found a book that was on my wish list. So I got A Court of Thorns and Roses by Sarah J Maas. This has been on my wish list for a while, and I appear to have bought a new book every single day of the holiday so far, but at least I'm not going to run out of things to read for a while. I think now we are just in for the rest of the night. We stopped off and bought some things to cook for dinner later on this evening. We were lucky with the weather. It was raining when we pulled up, but it stopped raining and then it started raining again as we left, so I'm glad we actually finally got to go out and do something without getting rained on. And then I think tomorrow the weather is supposed to be similar, so we are going to go to the beach, so I'm really looking forward to that. But yeah, I've had a really nice day today. bye.